Hey there, welcome to another one. So today we're taking a closer look at the Fractal Design Meshify 2. We did a build using this case a while ago, as you saw already in the video, but today I just wanted to show you what an amazing case this is, and how Fractal made this case even better than their previous generation. Starting from the panels, in order to get them off, you just push this little mechanism, and it has some hinges and swings away from the case. On the back side, we have a lot going on. First, we got this universal mounting bracket, which can be used for hard drives, controllers, or even to mount a water pump, and can also be used on any unused fan position. We also have this little rubber grommet hole where the motherboard cables pass through, and below that we have this plastic cover, which you can remove just by pulling out, and get access to the hard drive cage, which you can place anywhere you want across the power supply tunnel. You can practically put any power supply, as you don't really have any space limitation. The installation process is very easy, using the bracket that you mount on your power supply and then slide it into the case. You can then adjust the hard drive cage according to your needs, or remove it completely. On the top of the case, we've got a built-in fan hub with 6 regular DC fan connectors, as well as 3 PWM fan connectors. There's also a couple of SSD mounting brackets on the back of the motherboard tray as well. In terms of cable management, we have this cable routing parts with the Velcro tie-downs, which are very nice to have, and give you a much cleaner and easier cable management. For the front panel connectivity, we have 2 USB 3.0 ports, power and reset buttons, audio jacks, as well as a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C connector. Now moving inside the case, in terms of motherboard support, it can fit all the regular motherboards as well as 285mm eATX motherboards. The case does include 3 standard non-RGB DC powered fans, 2 140mm on the front, and 1 more at the back. Now, in terms of water cooling and radiator support, this case doesn't have almost any limitations, as you can fit up to 420mm on the top and a 360mm on the front. The only thing you should be aware of is the thickness of the radiator you want to install on the top, whereas on the front you have more than enough space. Now, a feature that I really like on this case is that you can install a bunch of hard drives by adjusting the middle plate bracket over to the front side of the case, so you can have 7 additional drive mounting slots. You get 4 included, plus 1 multi-bracket, so if you were to be using this as a workstation, file server, NAS, or even a gaming PC with lots of drives for your files, this feature should give you enough space for that. Another very nice feature on this case is that you can easily remove all the panels, including the top and front panels, leaving you with a bare chassis where you have plenty of space to work on for installing radiators, custom loops, and root cables. On the top, front, and bottom, it comes also with high airflow nylon filters, which have convenient access, and you can easily take them out for cleaning. Now, thermals on this case using this configuration are absolutely astonishing. We tested it in 3 different ways: closed case with dust filters installed, closed case without dust filters, and open case with no panels as a benchmark. The Meshify 2, in combination with the Celsius Plus S36 and 3 140mm RGB fans, also from Fractal Design, have such good airflow that it practically makes no difference whether you have the panels and filters installed or not. So, to sum up, the Fractal Design Meshify 2 is a case that not only comes with a stealth-inspired aesthetics and high build quality, but also offers an extensively adaptable dual layout interior with massive space and flexibility, and I would definitely recommend it, as it can be used in a variety of projects and setups. All the parts we use for this build will be listed in the description below. If you have any questions, I would be glad to answer them in the comments below. So thank you very much for watching, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram. Peace.